So let me tell you, most businesses have an email list, but they're barely making any money from it. Why? Because they're making these 3 mistakes. 1, they're sending mass emails to everyone with no targeting and no segmentation. And 2, they're relying on basic, boring email copy that doesn't get people to act. They're just ignoring their email list for weeks and then suddenly sending a random promotion. The fix: you need an email system that turns your email list into a revenue generating machine. And that starts with understanding the 3 levers of email success. Lever number 1, fix your email deliverability. If your emails aren't even reaching your inbox, it doesn't matter how good your copy is, you're losing money before you even get started. And here's how to fix that. 1, authenticate your emails using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. This tells email providers that you're legit, so you avoid spam filters. Next, use Google Postmaster and Mail Tester to check your deliverability score. 2, make sure you implement list cleaning practices and segmentation on your list. This means removing unengaged subscribers every 3 to 6 months if they don't open your re-engaging emails. Next, prioritize sending emails to your most engaged readers first. This boosts inbox placement. And then 3, warm up your sending reputation. If you're sending cold emails or you haven't emailed in a while, start very slow. This means send to your most engaged list first, then scale up. Action step: run your domain through Google Postmaster and Mail Tester today to check and see if your emails are landing in spam or not. You can also tell by your open rates, if they're less than 20% or not on most email service providers, or it could be as low as anything lower than 35% if you're using email service providers like Keep or Klaviyo. Lever number 2, master your email segmentation. One of the biggest mistakes businesses can make: they treat every subscriber the same. Here's how to fix that and instantly increase your revenue. Just break your list into 4 core segments. VIP buyers: these are your repeat customers, treat them like gold. Then you have engaged non-buyers. These people open and click but haven't bought yet, so they need a little push. Next, cold subscribers: people who signed up but haven't engaged in months, they need to be reactivated. Next, for new leads who just joined your email list, they need nurturing before you sell. So why does this work? Instead of sending one generic email to everyone, you send personalized emails that convert better. Engaged people get more aggressive offers, and cold leads get warmed up before they get a pitch. Action step: go into your email platform today and create these 4 segments. Lever number 3, create a profit-driven email sequence. Now that your emails are landing in inboxes and you're segmenting your list, it's time to make money. Here's the exact email sequence I use to turn subscribers into buyers. Email 1, the hook, day 1. First, you want to welcome the subscriber and set the stage for what's next. Then you want to give them a quick win, such as a freebie, insider tip to instantly build value. Then email 2, the next day, is the authority builder. Share a story, social proof, or a case study that shows them why you're the expert and they have to listen to you. Email 3, the problem and the solution. Agitate their pain points. Introduce your products and service as a solution. Email 4, this is the offer. Present a clear, irresistible offer, including a strong CTA, such as click here to get started. CTA means call to action. Email 5, scarcity and urgency. Give a deadline. This offer expires in 24 hours, for example. Then use FOMO, fear of missing out, to push them over the edge. Why does this work? Most buyers don't purchase immediately. They need multiple touch points. This sequence warms them up, builds trust, and makes the sale feel natural. So action step: set up this sequence in your email platform today. Bonus lever: increase your email revenue instantly. So if you want to take things further, here are 3 pro-level tactics to skyrocket your email revenue. 1, add a fast action bonus. This means giving a special bonus for people who buy within 24 hours. This increases urgency without discounting your product. And then 2, track revenue and optimize your email metrics. This means watch your open rates, your click-through rate, and your conversions. If an email underperforms, test a new subject line or tweak the call to action. 3, upsells and cross-sells with your current automated sequences. After someone buys immediately, offer them an upsell. Example: since you just grabbed fill-in-the-blank product, you'll love this upsell for 20% off. Action step: go add an upsell to your next email campaign. Now that you know how to unlock your email list's true potential, it's time to take action. So here's what to do next. Go ahead and drop a comment below. Drop the water emoji to show that you're really excited and ready to go. Then like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And then there's a link in the description to a free masterclass where I break down exactly how you can go from 0 to 25K a month as an email marketer in 2025 and the easiest way to do so. I believe in you. You got this.